Hello, and this is Tina Brigitini, and welcome. This is the place that you want to come for any tips on how do we experience wellness. Well, today I want to just ask you, number one, that if you are somebody who's managing or living from a place of past trauma, and that applies to anything, childhood trauma, relationship trauma, anything that you feel like you're carrying around that might be weighing you down. I have created, because I've worked with so many people, and so many people are just wanting to let go. Because of the thousands of people that I worked with, I have created what I feel is a very strategic plan. And I'd like to share that with you. I'd like to be living your life from a place that you're vibrating at a higher frequency. So I just want to talk just for a second about that trauma. Trauma is vibrating at a lower frequency. And when we're doing that, we're attracting more of that to us. So we want to start attracting from a higher place. And that's what my program is all about. Okay? Thanks for being here today. Many blessings to you.